And to end our news bulletin for tonight, Niue made its mark on the international stage during the Shanghai World Expo last month and left quite an impression. This by far would be the largest exhibition Niue has ever attended, and a perfect opportunity to promote the island as an ideal tourist destination, which also goes in line with government's drive for tourism development on the island. However, it was the Niue dance group that proved to be the main drawcard, pulling in the crowds with their action-packed dancing and singing. A group of 30, consisting of band members and dancers, wowed the crowds, giving the same level of intensity with each performance. With a demanding schedule, the group were required to dance up to 3 or 4 times a day on the main Pacific Center stage and within the pavilion. It was also highlighted by the director of the South Pacific Tourism Organization that what made an impact for Niue was the level of commitment shown not only by the dance troupe, but also Niue's staff that were tasked to manage the booth. Niue's promotional staff is due to return to the island tomorrow. Hanahado tolo te wala tale tutupu ke lata ia moi afia finei. Tuko tu foki e te manatu whakalofa ki he mga whaua he matuatane ko whaseni ko kioki mai ia ki o kioki wāta ko mole. And that's our news bulletin for tonight. Good evening.